Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode with this cool, amazing power right here in my hand, as you can see. Basically what this is a 3D moon lamp that you can use as like a night light or whatever. Whether it be for you, for your kids, or whatever you guys want to use it for, that's up to you guys. But the one that we have right here is a moon design. There are other designs that's very similar to this as well, but let's open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when we first open the product itself, this is basically what it looks like inside. So it definitely does get that galaxy kind of moon design look to it, which is pretty cool. Let's take it out. So this is basically what the product looks like before we turn it on. If you guys look at the bottom, they do have the slot for you to plug in the cable to activate it. Inside the packaging itself, you guys can see that there's more stuff as well. So they have the little remote for you guys to actually control it. They have the cable for you guys to activate the product itself. And then they have the actual stand itself that will hold the product, just like how you guys see in the actual picture itself right here. And then last but not least, they provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself. So what's really cool about this product is the fact that not only can you guys use the remote to control it, but you guys can actually touch it to kind of change the light, if you can see. So eventually, once you guys keep touching it, it turns off. So, but let's set up the bottom part of the actual product itself with the stand right here first. So you guys just want to put it through the hole like here, like this, on each one. And then same thing for the other one as well right here. Make sure it fits. Make sure it goes all the way in for all of them. So once you guys have it all set right here like this, you guys can put the ball on top right here. And it looks exactly just like the photo itself right here, as you can see. So what we want to do next is plug in the cable to activate it. So I'm actually going to plug this in first and show you guys how it works. Plug it into my power bank. And then we're going to plug it into the actual product itself. Alright, so once we plug it in, you guys can see that it's already powered on. You guys can see the different color right there. So right now it's like a red design to it. So what's really cool about this product is the fact that it's wireless. So you guys don't actually need to plug in the cable to activate it, but it's rechargeable. So that's definitely really cool. So next we want to take out the remote right here. So the remote does have a protective layer that you guys want to remove right here in order to use it. So you guys want to press the on and off switch. So that's off and that's on. If you guys want to change the different colors and choose whatever color you guys want. So if I want to change it to blue, it's blue. If I want to change it to yellow, it's yellow. Red, if I want to do white. So you guys can see that looks pretty awesome. It's such a simple product that works really, really well and so easy to use, but actually looks really, really cool. And if I want to do different modes on here, I can select whatever I want. So this is flashing mode. And then here's a strobe mode. Here's a fade mode. And then here's the smooth mode. And if I want to increase or lower the brightness level, I just have to press that button to increase or lower it. So this is the maximum right here. And this is the lowest right here. These are all the different controls on the remote itself. So the different colors, the different patterns or modes, the brightness level, and the on and off switch as well. So everything about the product is pretty cool. You guys can definitely use this to kind of stand out in your room. Make it a little bit more cooler if you guys want to have a different design look to it. Even when the product is off, you guys can see that looks really cool already. And the fact that since this product is wireless, that's even more cool. So you're supposed to get around like a 15 hours or 30 hours of usage on this product if you guys fully charge it. And I think for this product, it's supposed to only take around 3 hours to fully charge it to get around 15 hours or 30 hours of usage, which is pretty good if you guys think about it. So the one that I have right here is like a galaxy moon design look to it. But if you guys want other design, there is other design out there. But I definitely love the galaxy design because this actually looks cooler than the regular moon design that doesn't look as cool as this, if you guys can see. Like, I don't even have the light on, it actually looks really amazing already. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we do unboxing and testing the product itself, now to ask the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys try to make your room look a little bit more cooler and step up your room design look, then this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have each one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.